Welcome everyone! Today on our menu is stuffed zucchini with mushrooms. They make an amazing appetizer, or you can have them as part of a meal. They can be served hot or cold. Their use is versatile. Let's have a look at what we need to make it. The ingredients list is simple. 1 medium-sized zucchini, about 200 grams of mushrooms, quarter of a cup of carrots, 1 shallot or about a quarter of an onion, 1 clove of garlic, and then spices you like. I have here salt with Italian herbs. Begin with cutting zucchini into about 2.5 centimeter thick slices. Then either using a knife or a fork, get the core part out. Do the same with mushrooms, removing the stipes and replacing them with zucchini cutouts. Get a baking tray lined up with reusable silicone mat or foil. Place zucchini slices and mushrooms. Sprinkle with spices. Next, we need to combine mushroom stems, carrots, onion, garlic, and spices. You can either finely chop them or use a food processor. Now is a good time to preheat the oven, setting it at 200 degrees Celsius. While that is getting to the right temperature, we can add the fillings to our zucchini slices. Now bake these for about 30 minutes. Here they are, full of flavor, delicious and nutritious. The smell is so good. Because oil is not used, you can taste everything as the taste receptors are not blocked. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.